today we're gonna be doing something just a little bit different. Usually we'd be working on the BRZ, but today we're gonna be taking a break from that. Instead, we're gonna be working on the WRX. You guys have not seen this car in such a long time, and honestly, it's been pretty long for me too. Oh. But honestly, it's been pretty long for me too. How long has it been? Like 5 weeks, bro?
No, I can't. I'm like,
Oh. I'm gonna try not opening the door now. You guys haven't seen this car in like forever. And how long has it been? Like 5 weeks, right?
I can't. I'm still laughing about that. You're gonna put that on the blooper.
It's been like forever since you guys seen the car. It's been like forever since I've even seen the car. It's been like, what, 5 weeks or something? It's been 5 weeks since this car's been gone, and it's been gone for a pretty legitimate reason, and I'm gonna have Jay explain all that after he's done munching on his pizza over there that he didn't even bother to share with me. But yeah, the car hasn't really changed that much since you guys last saw it. I mean, it's on coilovers now, and it also has a sick blow-off valve, but that's really about it. Your Risa. You wanna explain what happened to your WRX? Why haven't we seen it in like 5 weeks?
It's been, yeah, 5 weeks.
It's been about 5 weeks, right?
Exactly.
5 weeks without the WRX.
5 weeks and 1 day.
5 weeks in 1 day?
Yeah.
Well, why have we not seen the car in forever? You gotta explain.
Basically, like, I bought the car and like it just came like bad from like the, I don't know. Like,
factory?
Yeah, from the factory. It just came back. It came back from the factory, and my whole transmission and my clutch was like fucked. So we did that all like for free and whatever.
So it's kind of like a lemon. It was, you kind of,
I could have lemoned
a lemon.
The car, but like I already did the headlights on the car and I did the exhaust and everything else, and I was just like, yo, like, you know, I don't want to go through the whole like hassle of like, you know, trying to trade out the lights with like another pair or whatever, or like, you know, getting a whole new car again. Yeah,
if you guys don't remember, he did have the RGB halos and the RGB sea light that we put on his headlights along with blacking out the housings. But yeah, basically what they replaced the clutch, right?
The transmission and the clutch.
The transmission and the clutch.
Yeah.
Is it running okay now, or?
Yeah, it runs a lot better actually.
Perfect. I mean, that's kind of what you would expect from.
Yeah, obviously, you know.
Subarus have a bad name just for their transmissions, and look at you here. Yeah. Brand new WRX, transmission already gone bad.
I bought it with 5 miles.
But the WRX is back. I'm super excited. Let's pull the car in and I'll explain everything that we're gonna do today. Jay's inside right now taking off the WRX's front bumper, but real quick, I just wanted to butt in. I've been reading the comments. I mean, I always read the comments, but in the comments, I've been noticing that recently there's been a lot more positivity. Along with that, I get messages all the time on Instagram, and they're super positive, and I fucking love it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that so much. You guys don't even know. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos, and if you guys are new to the channel, thank you guys so much for tuning in. It honestly means so much to me, but enough of me butting in. Let's get back to the WRX. You getting work done, man? Huge shout out to Auxbeam Lighting for always showing us some love. Last time they sent me out a little care package. Last time they sent us a light bar that we put on the BRZ. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. This time they sent out a little care package for the Ricer himself, for his Rice Mobile. I'm pretty sure that this light bar is just a little bit different than mine.
Better. I didn't say it.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a little bit different than mine. Let's open it up and check it out. So here is what they sent out. Just like last time, a bunch of harnesses and wires and stuff. This connects to the battery. This is like a few.
It's better than last time.
I'm not gonna lie. From the pictures I saw, I like this light bar a little bit better than mine. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, like I was saying, the harness, this connects to the battery, gives everything power. This basically just connects there. It's really simple to install this. I'm pretty sure this one is RGB along with mine. I'm pretty sure this is what is used to change colors on this specific light bar. For those of you who don't know what RGB is, it's red, green, blue. What it basically means is that the lights are color changeable. Here is the harness for the RGB. Here's the harness for the power and all. A box filled with hardware, I'm guessing. Yep, hardware. And here it is, the light bar itself. Dude, show him, show him. Oh, dude. Yeah, I know, right? I'll show you guys mine in a second, but mine is like one row of big lights. This is 2 rows of small lights. That looks so much better, dude. Holy crap. I'm pretty sure this is a 22-inch as well, along with mine, but dude, the dual rows look so freaking sick, man. Holy crap. Jay's gonna mock up his light bar. I'm gonna show you guys my light bar and exactly how I mocked it up and exactly how mine fits and looks basically. So here is my light bar. They have the little Auxbeam logo on the side and that actually lights up too, which is freaking sick. But like I was saying, I just have one row of really big LED bars and this is like really, really bright. So here is the RGB that I was talking about. They're color changing. Now I can lock them into one color and it's kind of dull right now because it's like sunlight, but they look super, super sick. Along with the Auxbeam light bar, we're also gonna be adding a diffuser to the booty today. I'm not gonna lie, I like his light bar just a little bit better. I'm a big fan of the dual rows. I'm pretty sure you are too. Yeah, if Jay wasn't a big fan of the dual rows, I would obviously switch with him, but he likes the dual rows. Auxbeam sent out the dual rows for him. Dude! Yeah, Jay just said that this was Bluetooth. This definitely is Bluetooth. Yeah, because there's the Car Light app.
Yeah, there is?
Yeah! Dude, that's so sick. You can connect it with your phone. No, dude, I'm being serious. Yeah, this, oh, no way.
Bro, that's lit.
Dude, that is so sick. His headlights are connected to his phone too. Yeah. You can change all the lights from his headlights. And now you can do it. Oh, dude, I'm so jealous right now. I'm gonna be putting these on the car later. What's his app, Patrol?
Yeah, right here. Auxbeam.com/carlight.
Dude, I see, I told you, car light. That's so lit, dude. That is so lit. You guys definitely didn't see a video on us installing Jay's headlights because it got super, super complicated and, you know, we just got frustrated. We just started working on the headlight. I stopped recording. It was a super, super hard install. Luckily, the Auxbeam light bars are not hard at all. Like, since they sent a full harness, like, you really don't have to do any wiring of your own. Yeah, it's pretty much plug and play. Yeah. You plug it into the battery, you put it through the firewall, and then you just, you know, you stick it on somewhere inside the car, wherever you want it. And it's really, really simple. First thing is first, we're gonna hook these up to the light bar itself, connect the light bar to the bottom plastic thing, which is a lot stronger than it actually looks. And then we're gonna get started on wiring. Damn. Damn, Daniel. So we'll measure it out, figure out exactly where we're gonna need to drill the holes on the bottom, drill the holes, and with the screws provided, just lock it in place, and then get started on the wiring. The Wrx's firewall is like in such a weird spot. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me turn up the exposure a little bit, but yeah, the firewall is all the way back there, and there is no way that I'm fitting my hands through that. Why is the firewall in such a tight place? I don't know if there's a firewall on the other side, or maybe I'm just stupid and I'm looking at something that's completely wrong, but I don't know. I have to figure out how we're gonna send the on and off switch into the cabin. Light bar is mounted. Now the time to wire it up. Dude, wait, can we explain why you have your stock horns and Dyalla horns?
Yeah.
I'm sure somebody's gonna comment about that.
Well, basically what happened is that Bobber broke my relay.
I broke your relay. Bro, you never put the relay in.
Nah,
no, we found the relay on the Miata. Back when the Miata was here.
Yeah, no, but we used your relay from your Hella horns.
Yeah.
And it still didn't work, so.
And it didn't work because they were two different horns.
Put them there for show. They're not even in the right spot. Like, you can't even see them, like, really that much.
That's so funny, dude.
But, you know, it's whatever.
All right, so we gave up. There's no way we're fitting anything through that little firewall. So what we're gonna do is run the wire through the fender and then into the cabin like that for the time being. If any of you guys could let me know if there's like a different firewall that we missed that we can run the wires through, we'd love to do that because that way is a little sketchy. So if anyone knows, please let us know down in the comments. Until then, we're gonna be running it through the fender, through the door, right by the driver's seat. I just tucked the wires in so far. So I'm trying to make sure nothing touches the radiator, I don't know how everybody says it, but yeah, I have the wires going right here. And then they're just going up, running along all like, you know, the body. Then we're hiding the wires in this front grill thing. And you can see that we kind of electrical taped and zip tied it down. We're probably gonna take the electrical tape off. But yeah, the wire is running up to here, through here, and you can already see that these wires are from Jay's headlights. So we already did this before. The wires are running here, and we have the Bluetooth module just drilled into this piece of plastic. It's pretty sturdy, not really gonna move. Now we have to wire everything else up. everything's wired up. I'll show you guys that in a bit. First test. Oh, they're on, yo. Oh, damn, dude. That is bright. Holy crap, dude, it's daytime and these might be brighter than mine. I can't tell. Then again, like these are in the garage.
Yeah.
But damn, dude, you should connect your phone to it now. That looks so good, dude. Oh, dude, I want the dual rolls on my car now. Oh my God. Yo, I'm so jealous right now. I'm not even gonna lie. If you guys don't already, definitely go ahead, follow my Instagram. You guys will get a preview. Once again, huge thank you to Auxbeam Lighting for sending out the light bar. First they sent it for the BRZ, now they sent it for the WRX. They showed us a lot of love. I would appreciate it so much if you guys sent them some love. Go check them out. I'll leave the link down in the description. They sell so much stuff. They sell fog lights, RGB LEDs, LED headlights, light bars, light cubes, whatever you're into. Check them out. We're not gonna put the bumper on just yet. We don't have that much daylight left, so we're gonna leave the bumper for later. Right now, what we're gonna do is go ahead and put on the diffuser. So I'm gonna let Jay explain about this diffuser. Honestly, I think a diffuser would be good for this car, but in my personal opinion, I'm not the biggest fan of this diffuser. I think this is a little bit too aggressive.
They're called Invictus Aero, as you can see right here. And they did like a partial sponsorship for like all this, and I got all this for like $240.
That's not bad at all. That's really not bad at all for a diffuser. Like, rip this diffuser. You're literally gonna scrape it so much.
Assuming it goes like that, right?
Yeah, dude, that's so aggressive. Just got to the parking garage and I don't know what's going on with my voice, but I really hope I'm not losing my voice again. You know what's funny, dude? Last time we installed the light bar on my car, at the end of the video, I was starting to lose my voice. Dude, I swear, if I lose my voice again, what? That's funny. It's getting kind of late right now. It's like close to like 9:30-ish. Luckily, the parking garage is still open for like another half hour-ish. We have enough time to take some pictures, and damn, the WRX is looking so nice, dude. I'm gonna pull out the big camera, set you guys to the side, and just take a few pictures.